Do you want to win a Rolex, a MacBook Pro, or the upcoming iPhone 17 just by trading crypto? BTCC Exchange is starting the year with a bang. This event ends on January 15th, so you have exactly 1 week left to grab these prizes. Here is the breakdown. First, for new users, deposit $200 or more and get an instant 30% bonus. This is Futures Pro funds to boost your leverage. Second, the volume ladder. As you trade, you unlock tiers. Hit 50 million volume? You get an iPhone 17 worth $800. Hit 800 million? You get a Rolex worth $30,000. And don't worry about shipping, they pay you the USDT cash equivalent directly to your account. Third, the daily check-in. If you trade just $50,000 in volume daily, you get extra cash bonuses. Since we are near the deadline, if you start today, you can hit the 7-day streak for free money. But pay attention to the loss deduction rule. BTCC bonuses work on a 9-to-10 ratio. If you lose money, 90% comes from your real cash and only 10% from the bonus. Do not rely on this bonus to save your account from liquidation. It is purely for opening bigger positions. Remember, withdrawing any funds will wipe your bonus. Use the link in the description to register for the event before it closes. Check my blog for the full prize list. Questions? DM me at LegendClub123. Let's get that Rolex. Please remember, crypto trading is risky, especially with leverage. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Trade safe.